Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the RANVOO mini fan. So inside, it comes with the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and the fan. So briefly going over some specs, this comes in 4 colors. It has a 2500 milliamp hour battery with a 6-hour runtime, and it takes 1 hour to charge and weighs in at about 3.9 ounces. Looking at the fan, you have the power button here. So there's a switch, just push it up. And then you have a slider to adjust the speed of the fan. And in the front, you also have the speed. It goes from 0 to 100%, and then the battery indicator. The back, you have the USB-C charge port. So here's the display. Hopefully you can see it here in the camera. So you have the air inlet in the back and the outlet in the front. You can see it's fairly small in size. Here's the palm of my hand, and you can see how small it is, and it's very portable. So the fan has about 10 meters per second as far as the wind speed. So I got a device here that will measure the wind speed. I have it right now set to miles per hour. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to put it at 100%. So at 100%, it's reading about 15 miles per hour, the wind speed. I'm going to switch it to meters per second. So this is on meters per second. So we're hitting about 7 meters per second at 100% speed. So just testing it out now. I like the fact that it has this slider, so you can control the speed from 0 all the way to 100%. And it is a warm day right now. You know, there's a decent amount of air, so it will definitely cool you down, help cool you down during those warm days. I definitely like the portability and the form factor. Again, it's very small compared to some of the other handheld fans that I've reviewed. They're slightly bigger than this and a little bit heavier, but this is definitely compact and small in size. And you can definitely feel the airflow. You don't want it too far out, probably just this far, and it should cool you down. Okay, so that's a look at the RANVOO mini fan. Decent amount of airflow, adjustable speed, good battery life, and most of all, it's small in size and very portable. So I left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.